Hello everyone, my name is Sim Gon-hee from Military Academy at Gyeongnam University. I will present what makes me happy. First, topic and theme. I think what makes me happy is playing badminton with my friends. These pictures are my favorite badminton player pictures. Activities and setting. What, when, and where. I played badminton on Friday and Saturday. I played badminton in badminton court or school gym. Next, who, why, and how. I played badminton with my friends. I played badminton because it's fun. I played badminton merrily. Details. There are two types of badminton, single or doubles. There are differences between the two ways of playing, and I personally prefer doubles. First picture is single and next picture is doubles. Vocabulary. I organized the tools used when exercising. Badminton shoes, racket, and shuttlecock. There are pictures. Recommendation. Badminton is not hard sports, so I want to recommend it to my friends. Thank you for listening my presentation.